up guys? Check out this dog food rack. So it is a nice dog food bowl rack that you can have for your dog. It makes it nice looking outside instead of just having the bowls sitting there. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble this thing and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. What's up guys? So we got our dog feeder all built here, very easy to build. It also has a wall mounting option, so if you want to mount it to your wall, it does come with the screws and stuff for that. So if you would rather that than a freestanding one, you can obviously do it that way. It also comes with a marker, so you can write on the bone here. We wrote Bo for our dog's name right here. And it also comes with a slow feeder, which is really cool. So you could just go ahead and put that in one of the bowls. And then when you put the food in, it has a suction cup. So it suctions right onto there. And then it allows you to slow feed your dog. It looks super nice, super easy to build. So go ahead, check it out.